Welcome back to my channel, guys. I have a very exciting video for you guys today. I got 3 beautiful bags from Verano Hill and we're going to unbox them, and I'm going to give you all my thoughts about each and every one of them and all the little details. So let's get into it. I think I'm going to do smallest to biggest. When I first opened the box, I was so pleasantly surprised that they all came in these beautiful little silk pouches, silk drawstring bags, and then they also come in a little dust bag too. So extremely well packaged. Love that. I love all those little details from brands. This is the Lauryn. She's this really beautiful handbag, and this is in the color caramel. I love how versatile this one is, but can we just take a moment for how beautiful this suede is? This is genuine leather. It has a top handle. It has a little closure here you can just undo. Plenty of space in there if you're like me and have to have like all your junk with you. There's a little zipper pocket inside as well for all your little things you don't want to fall out or be seen by everybody. And it comes with an attachable, or detachable I should say, long strap. So if you're a crossbody girl or you like to just wear your bags longer, it just clips right on to the little side things here on the back of the handle. Long, or you could wear it as a crossbody. This color is so beautiful. I'm excited to wear this in the rest of summer, but especially for fall. Are you kidding me? So beautiful. Okay, this next bag is the Jocelyn, and I have been eyeing and wanting a tote just like this. Look at this. I love a black bag because I'm the kind of girl that wears black all year round. I don't care what the temperature. But I'm telling you, this is vegan leather and it's so soft, you guys. It has a magnet closure, but it's a good magnet. You know how some bags, the magnet's kind of janky. It's stitched in there too, if you guys can see that. And then it's just an open tote, but it comes with its own little zipper pouch in here. You can kind of take it wherever you need. But I love that, and this would fit so much in here. So cute, so chic. Love this one. It fits right under my arm. Or you could wear it in your elbow, but super cute. Another versatile bag. A good transition piece from summer to fall too. Last but not least, this is the Karen medium tote, and I got it in cedar brown. This bag is another leather bag. Look how beautiful this, like the cedar kind of chocolatey brown color. I'm obsessed. This would be a really good work bag. I think it would fit a small laptop or an iPad, but oh my gosh, the quality, you guys, I'm not kidding you. It's so good. Such soft leather. I love the interwoven leather panels. And then this one just opens up. Do have a tie for the top to keep it closed nice and tight because there's no snap or anything. There's also the inner pouch that snaps in, or you can take it out if you don't want it in there, and it has plenty of space in here so you don't have to worry about anything falling out of your bag if it falls over for some reason or you drop it. And it has another inner pocket, and then it also has another zipper pocket, and this itself zips up completely, and the zippers on all these things are really good quality too, because I don't know about you, but I can't stand when a zipper gets stuck all the time. Inside you'll see it has a little D-ring, and then underneath that is a snap so that you can snap this pouch in place so that it doesn't come out. So then she's not going anywhere. And like the first bag, this one also comes with a long strap that's detachable. So you can just clip it on to those D-rings inside that I was talking about. And this strap is adjustable as well. So you can make it longer, shorter, whatever you want. So you could also wear it like this. I know for some of us it's more comfortable to wear a longer bag, or to be able to wear it crossbody, like if you're using this as your mom bag, then you don't have to worry about it falling off your shoulder while you're chasing your kid around. Or even if you're walking in and out of the office, it's just kind of nice to be hands-free and not have to worry about your bag. Another beautiful and stunning handbag for sure. Honestly, have nothing bad to say about any of these bags. Highly recommend. Such good quality. The packaging was great. The shipping was really fast. And these are going to be so good for transition pieces. They also would be really great as a gift for somebody. These would make good ones. They have other beautiful bags and really unique and trendy ones too. I'll have everything linked below in the description box for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.